Hello everybody. Today we will talk about the effect of lifting your legs up on the body. I would like to ask you to watch the video to the end, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell. Thank you in advance for your support and enjoy watching. Such a simple exercise as lifting the legs helps to solve many health problems. It is often used by yogis in their practice. Often people do not pay enough attention to physical activity, although it can tone your body and improve its shape. In addition, it is a method of preventing many diseases. The only people who focus on getting enough physical activity are athletes. People who wish to lose extra weight can benefit from regular exercise. If these issues don't exist, maintaining health only requires doing specific workouts. Leg raises are one of the best ways to do this. It can be done without specialized gear or a sports attire. You only require a wall. Your physical and mental well-being will improve if you perform this workout every day. Before going to bed, it can be done in the morning or in the evening. This will assist, relieve tiredness, and lower limb pain, and get you ready for exercise in the morning. Lying on your back, raise your legs to a 90-degree angle without bending your knees to do this exercise correctly. Shoulders should be relaxed and level, while the head and body are positioned on the bed or the floor. To ease stress in your lower back or neck, place your hands at your sides. Place a cushion underneath them for added coziness. Inhale evenly and quietly. The tightness in your muscles will release. This position should be maintained for up to 20 minutes, based on your comfort level. To return to the starting position, bend your knees, take a few deep breaths, and exhale. Then, without sudden movements, get up and go about your usual business. If you do this procedure before going to bed, do not get out of bed. Try to fall asleep. 13 benefits of lifting your legs. The first is the restoration of intestinal motility. This position has a beneficial effect on the motility of the gastrointestinal tract. The blood supply to these organs improves, which contributes to more efficient digestion of food in the intestine. All useful substances are absorbed, and fecal masses are formed, which helps to get rid of constipation problems, and you no longer need to take laxatives. Second, getting rid of heaviness in the legs. This exercise is useful for those who are constantly on their feet. By lifting your legs up for 20 minutes, you can relieve tension and swelling after a working day, when the load on your legs is the greatest. Third, elimination of edematous syndrome. Lifting the legs helps to reduce swelling. Regardless of the cause of edema, gravity causes the outflow of excess fluid and its redistribution between tissues. Edema can be caused by diseases of the cardiovascular system, kidneys, varicose veins, taking certain medications, sedentary lifestyle, and overweight. By lifting your legs up, you help eliminate swelling and improve blood circulation. Fourth, relieving nervous tension. Doing this exercise, you breathe deeply, relax, and feel the pain and heaviness in your legs go away. Regular such activities help to combat stress and maintain nervous calm. Fifth, normalization of blood flow. The outflow of excess fluid when the legs are upright relieves the load on the heart. This is especially useful for people with overweight, bad habits, static leg position, and if there are problems with veins or blood pressure. Sixth, helps to fight stress. Normalization of the nervous system in this position improves sleep, promotes calmness, and helps to deal with stress, maintaining harmony within oneself. Seventh, relief of back pain. Lifting the legs up can help in relieving back pain caused by various causes, such as osteochondrosis, inflammatory joint diseases, spinal hernias, and spinal curvature. To reduce the load on the skeleton, you can put a roller under the lower back. Eighth, reduction of menstrual pain. Not everyone knows that this exercise can help to remove severe pain during critical days in women. It helps to relax and relieve muscle tone, eliminating cramps and painful sensations. Sometimes lifting your legs can replace taking pills, and you no longer need to endure this ailment. During menstruation, it is not recommended to exercise, so you cannot be afraid to perform this exercise, since it does not require active movements. Try to eliminate painful sensations with this pose, and you will be surprised how effectively it works. Ninth, Improved sleep. Lifting your legs up is very similar to meditation. You perform exercises and get complete relaxation, lightness, deep breathing, and calmness, which helps to normalize sleep, making it stronger and easier to fall asleep. The organs get a good blood supply and do their job better. The absence of edema also normalizes the emotional state. 10th, hamstring strain. This effect is useful for the lower back, as it stretches the lower back and reduces pain. The closer you lie down to the wall, the more your hamstrings stretch. Just do not overdo it, as you can cause them to rupture and severe pain. 11th, the launch of metabolic processes. Good blood supply to organs and tissues during this position prolongs the life cycle of all cells. This improves the regeneration and restoration of damaged areas. Such exercises are especially useful for people after surgery on varicose veins. Of course, you should consult a doctor first. 12th, a method of preventing hemorrhoids. This disease occurs due to stagnation of blood in the hemorrhoidal veins, which contributes to prolonged sitting or lifting weights. Lifting up the legs is a good measure to prevent this pathology. The blood supply to organs improves and venous congestion decreases. If the disease is already present, then this exercise will help reduce the symptoms. 13th, improvement of blood supply to the pelvic organs. Lifting the legs up improves microcirculation in the pelvic area. This promotes blood supply to organs and muscles in this area, which results in relaxation of the muscular corset and elimination of pain. For the best effect, it is better to put a roller under the lower back. After exercising, it is good to lift your legs up with hamstring stretching. This improves tissue oxygen saturation and promotes rapid recovery of the legs. The best confirmation of all words is personal experience. Check out this exercise for yourself. The result will not take long. It's not a fact that you'll notice significant changes the first time. You may need to do it more often. If you do not have the diseases listed above, then this exercise will help you relieve leg fatigue after a hard day and make it easier to fall asleep. Tell your family and friends about lifting your legs up, especially if someone needs such help. It is not always possible to find time for sports, swimming, or running, but this exercise will not take up much of your energy and time. Just 20 minutes in the evening before going to bed, and you will have an easy walk. It is very simple to perform. No additional inventory or assistant is required. If you are bored just lying on your back, then you can read a book, watch TV, or listen to your favorite music at this time. Such an addition will have a positive effect on the emotional sphere and the nervous system. Some young mothers can't find time to exercise for their babies. This technique is an excellent option for such people to alleviate their condition. Do not forget to put a cushion under your neck or lower back. Place your hands along your torso, palms up or down. Watch your breathing. It should be smooth and deep. If you have a medical condition, consult your doctor before doing this exercise. Do not keep your legs raised for too long, as this reduces blood flow in your feet. Remember that the optimal time is up to 20 minutes. Be sure to write in the comments whether you like this exercise and what effect it had. Has it turned out to be effective for you, and will you recommend it to your relatives? That's the end of the video. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell. I will also be grateful if you like and share the video with your family and friends. See you soon.